Dear AI aspiring engineers, welcome to our channel Alex Tech Project. Today we try to see how to use Streamlit to build app. So the fastest way to build app and share data apps by using the Streamlit. Today we try to explore the Streamlit. You can see it on the screen. With using the Streamlit, how you can build a basic BMI calculator by taking some data from here, BMI tables for adults, and we try to create a SIP calculator, the monthly investment and expected return and time period, how much returns you will get it. And we try to build age calculator by giving the date of birth and age at the date of today, how much is the age. And finally, last but not least, we try to calculate the home loan EMI calculator by using the Streamlit. Without further delay, now let us jump into the session. Here you can see the Streamlit.io, the fastest way to build and share the data apps. Now I will show here how it will try to run. I'm importing and st.write my first hello world. You can see the thing is now st.write and sales model you can see, and I'm adding the window like a forecasting or sales prediction. You can see it on this one, and you can use the slide and you can share. Now you have seen the demo how backgroundly it is happening. We try to see down. You can see how to write. The first thing is we need to import the Streamlit. Before that we need to install pip install Streamlit. After installation you can see how to start writing. What is the slide bar? You can see this is the slide bar, and this is a drag and drop file with a different text file, image file, and you can see this is called as a radio buttons, and this is the date from which you can select the month, year and date of the particular month. So this is called as a date input and deploying. So you can select the graph also, that is called as a maps also. Over here now inputs widgets, you can see this is the button, this st click me, and this is download file. The feedback is st.feedback. These are the some of the input button where you can click the button st.form, submit the form, and going from this location to another location, that is called as a link button. This is the page link, and you can see this is checkbox where you can select, and this is a toggle active or inactive, on or off, up or down, where the two state, that is binary state selection, that is a toggle. Classify image, when you want to select out of these things, this is the radio button. Select box you can see, and multi select, and this is called as from scaling, this is called as a slider. And you can see the numeric input st number underscore input, slider st.slider, and this is date time and time input, text input text underscore input, text underscore area for displaying multi-line, and this is chart underscore input, and other things also it has been there. File uploader is very important, and camera input. So these are the inputs, or how we try to take the data from the user by using the Streamlit. Now we try to use this one and construct the app. Our objective will be how to create a BMI calculator by taking the inputs of an height and weight in terms of the metrics units and display the result like this. And by taking the monthly investment and expected return rate and time period, we try to calculate the expected returns and total value and invested amount, like how you are seeing on the grow. And we try to calculate the age by selecting the date of birth and age today up to the today, and we try to see the home loan calculator. We try to enter the loan amount and tenure and interest rate. All these things we try to show it. Please stay on, and we try to do very interesting thing. Thank you. First of all, I am opening with this BMI app.py. You can see it on the screen. The first thing you can see it on, I am importing the Streamlit and I am importing the math. Here I am calculating the BMI based on the weight and height. Weight divided by height square, but height I am considering as centimeters. I am dividing with 100 such a way that it will convert into the meters. This is the formula for the BMI calculator, whose inputs will be the height and weight. Height and weight, yeah. And based on the condition calculated BMI, we are giving some string to it, the returning the string. If it is less than 16, between 16 to 17, between 17 to 18.5, 18.5 25, 25 to 30. So these are the strings we are returning from this one. And if you come over here, st.markdown, we are setting the background color like RGB. So based on that one, we try to set it. And we are putting the title as a BMI calculator, and number input we are taking with the min value as n and as 0, and format will be the 0.2 dot. So it will try to take it as a decimal values and weight, and it is calculating the calculate underscore BMI get BMI category and printing by using the st markdown. And after that one, for user information, we are creating one table for information sake. Without further delay, now let us execute this code and see what it does. For that one, streamlit dot command run. What is the thing we are doing? BMI app.py. So here it will be opening. So now we try to enter the height as 160 centimeter and weight as in 65 kgs. Now let us see, this is the BMI, so it will coming under the overweight. Now let us move 170 and do the calculation. It is 22.49. It is a normal. You can see the normal between this one. So this is the one of the example we have done with the Streamlit. You can change the background color by combination of RGB, red, green, blue. By the combination you can change it. Now let us move to the next example. So this is the one, you can see it on the screen. Streamlit datetime.date. So these are the two things I imported. Markdown by using the RGB, you can set the background color. And after this one, title age calculator, first date of birth you need to enter from 1950 So this is the one beginning of a calendar, 1950 January 1st I am considering, and today. So it will do the difference between date of birth and present date, and it will try to give the age in years. Without further delay, now let us execute it. Before that, let me save this code. Terminal, new terminal, streamlit dot command run age calculator app.py. Now if you click on the date of birth, it will try to first of all year selection 2000. It will goes on up to the 1950. So based on year you can select 1990 August 4th. You can say the age is 34. Now let move over here to 1978. You can move this one to the June 3rd. You can see 46. Now let us move to the 2013 and move June to May 11. You can see the 11 years. So this is the age calculator, and you can change this background color and based on your interest. Now let us move to the other app as in a SIP calculator. This is the SIP calculator. So where the Streamlit we are importing the calculating the SIP PIN, that is nothing but the principal amount, interest rate, tenure duration, or investment duration. All this one it will try to give the maturity amount. So this is the background color setting, you can see it, and the title is SIP calculator. You can see it on over here. The minimum SIP value will be the 500, max value will be the step 1000, and the default value, and expected rate per annum. So this will be the 1, max value will be the 30, step size is the 1, default value will be the 12, and the time period is the minimum value is 1 year, maximum value is 40 years, step size is 1, default value is 10. Taking this one, what we are doing, monthly rate, number of payments, number of years into 12, so total months it will come, monthly rate from yearly rate, they are dividing into the 12 divided by 100, so they try to get the monthly rate. All these things they are sending on to the calculate underscore SIP. P will be the principal amount, monthly rate, and number of payments. It will goes on calculate. Without further delay, now let us execute and see what is this one. SIP calculate.py. So this is the one I am moving first one on to the 15k per month. So and 15% returns, you can see it on this screen, and 15 years. Okay, now calculate the maturity. Your principal amount will be the 27 lakhs, and estimated returns will be the 74 lakhs. Total will be the 1 CR. You can see this is the popular formula in the investment. 15k per month, and expected return will be the 15% per annum, and investment period is called as in 15 years, then you will get it as in 1 CR. This is the already the existed formula. So now whether it's calculated properly or not, we have validated. Now let us move to the last one, calculator. So for this one I am going on to the home loan EMI app.py. We can see Streamlit, NumPy, and this is the background color. You can see it on this one. Home loan EMI calculator, loan amount will be the 1 lakh, and 1 CR is the maximum value, step size will be the 1 lakh, and default value will be the 10 lakhs. Tenure duration 1 year is the minimum, maximum is 30 years, default is 15 years. Interest rate, so minimum is 1, maximum is 15, step size is 1, default value is 7. Here I am not getting the float value, so I have integrated into the normal values only without any decimals. So based on the tenure months, tenure years into 12, total months, and monthly interest rate divided by 100 divided by 12, so it will get monthly interest rate. And based on this one, it will try to calculate the EMI, it will try to put this one. Now let us move here, new terminal, Streamlit, run home loan EMI app.py. If you can select, this is called as an 40 lakhs, you can see over here 29, 30, 30, 37, 30, 40 lakhs, 15 years, 7% interest, you will get 35,953 as EMI. Now let us move to here, 40 lakhs, tenure duration is 15, interest rate is 5, you can see 35,953. You can see 35,953. So these are the 4 applications we have seen. Again I am repeating, this is the BMI calculator, second one is the SIP grow calculator, age calculator, home loan EMI calculator. So all these apps we have done by using the Streamlit. You can see this one, and here they are saying, so there is no need to write a background, define routes, handle HTTP request, connect to front end, and write HTML, CSS, JavaScript. So these kind of things is not required in the Streamlit. I hope you have enjoyed this session, and not only learning the Streamlit, we need to showcase the skill by doing the relevant projects. And underneath what are the widgets it has been involved, we need to learn and bring how it can be useful to the application. If you like this video, for more interesting updates related to the Python, data science, machine learning, deep learning, generative AI related videos, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel. And please share the channel those who are preparing for any Python, machine learning, deep learning, generative AI related projects or generative AI related job roles. Thank you very much. We try to meet in the next video. Bye.